Mr. Nez, World Famous Foods. Today, shrimp stir fry with broccoli. Let's cook. Alright folks, so we're doing a shrimp stir fry. There we go. Avocado oil. Put some broccoli in here. Along with some bell peppers. I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Okay, this is our sauce for the stir fry. To our soy sauce, we're going to add some oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Should be good. A little bit of honey. A little bit of water. And if you think it's not thick enough, you can add some cornstarch, but we're going to add some red pepper flakes to this. Oh yeah, World Famous Foods. Mix this up. We're going to also add some sugar peas to this. Now we're going to add a little color mix. Got some carrots and some cabbage all cut up. Okay, so now we're going to add our shrimp. So these shrimp are already cooked. Probably take about a minute or two for them to turn pink and then we're good. Add some chopped garlic to this. Now it's time to add our sauce. Wow, it smells so good. Let's just saute for a couple of minutes. Okay folks, look at this. I think it's time to plate. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna eat this with some jasmine rice. Time to plate. Alright, got our jasmine rice. Let's add our shrimp stir fry to this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Hey Ron, eat your heart out, buddy. Look at this. Then add some sesame seeds to this. World Famous Foods, baby. Look at this.